What happens when the wind stops blowing and the sun barely shines? It's not a sci-fi doomsday. It's a real challenge energy planners are facing today. And it has a name: energy drought. Welcome back to the R&D Lab by EngiSphere, where we turn real research papers into clear, engaging stories everyone can understand. Picture this: it's midwinter. The air is icy still, no wind to spin the turbines. The sun, barely peeking above the horizon. Meanwhile, everyone's cranking up the heating. Demand for electricity soars, but renewable supply crashes. That's when the grid faces its ultimate stress test. Researchers from the Technical University of Denmark and Newcastle University in the UK studied 80 years of weather data to see how these energy droughts hit renewable-heavy systems, and how we can survive them. They discovered that these extreme events happen more often than you'd think, roughly every couple of years. And when they hit, our usual tools, wind, solar, even big hydro, aren't enough on their own. Instead, the grid has to lean on 3 layers of support. First, steady power plants like nuclear or biomass. Second, batteries for day-to-day balancing. And third, the rare but crucial resilience backups like hydrogen turbines, running only during the toughest hours, but making the difference between keeping the lights on or facing blackouts. Here's the tricky part. Those backup plants barely run, so they don't make much money. Without smart policies or support schemes, they might not even be there when we need them. And it's not just about having enough power. It's about planning for both long-term challenges, like tough winters, and short-term shocks, like a single brutal week of bad weather. So, as we move toward a clean energy future, this research shows that resilience isn't just about building more wind turbines or solar farms. It's about making the whole system weatherproof. And that brings me to you. How much extra are we, as a society, willing to invest in just-in-case power to make sure the lights never go out? Visit EngiSphere.com and explore the engineering concepts. Stay curious.